Manchester United fans that lost to 10 men Newcastle is telling me that why am I celebrating a draw against Newcastle at St. James Park? Why am I happy that I got a draw in a two-legged tie? You lost to a team that went down to 10 men. And you're asking me, why am I celebrating? Man U fans, I don't tell them that I come out now for Champions League. Oh. I want people should remove your man from Champions League. Nothing concerning for this competition. Remove your man from Champions League. Start talking about Champions League when you qualify for the Champions League. You don't understand what it means to play in the Champions League. You don't understand the pressure that comes with playing in the Champions League. You're a mid-table club. Stay where you are. Oh. Manchester United, I don't want to know. T-Talks. Okay. No wahala. Until arrest one Man U fan. Keep on for kri for 6 months. That time I'm going to say, I get power. They carry me, they play first. Continue to talk about what you know concern you.